Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Amazon account login alerts and security settings, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Amazon account login alerts and security settings, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Amazon homepage. Log into your Amazon account using your credentials. Once logged in, hover over the account and lists option. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Login and Security section. Click on the Edit button next to Login and Security. Verify your email address is correct and up to date. Next, check your mobile phone number for two-factor authentication. If necessary, add or update your mobile number and click Continue. Review your two-step verification settings. To enable two-step verification, click the Learn More link. Follow the prompts to set up two-step verification using your phone. Return to the Login and Security page. Ensure that your password is strong and meets Amazon's security requirements. Next, check for any suspicious activity in your account. Look for any recent login attempts from unfamiliar locations or devices. If you notice anything unusual, immediately change your password. Now, scroll down to the Account Settings section. Ensure your account settings are up to date. Check for any linked devices or services that you do not recognize. If you find any unrecognized devices, remove them from your account. Finally, regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity moving forward. Make a habit of reviewing your security settings periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.